Hey everyone, I'm Tina, and it's crypto time again. I've been thinking about some crypto terms lately, and we're going to explain one of them today. Specifically, we're going to look at altcoins and briefly discuss what that term means. What are altcoins? Well, that is easier to answer than you might think. So let's take a look at what they are and why they matter. Altcoins are, quite simply, any cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. That's right, everything from Ethereum, which powers and brings smart contracts to life, to meme coins like Dogecoin that recently blew up on the internet. They are all altcoins. Each of these crypto coins has its own unique features and uses too. Some of these coins are designed to speed up transactions while others specialize in privacy protection or decentralized finance. From the thousands of options for altcoin investors to consider, which one is right for you? Which would you like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto insights, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.